Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of SelectorsHub and ProPath. Many of you want to contribute to SelectorsHub, and also at the same time I really need help from all of you to make it grow, to let SelectorsHub to reach everyone, to make it absolutely bug free. There should not be any issue, people should not face any issue while using SelectorsHub, and it should solve each and every problem of related to selectors, related to XPath, and any kind of manual effort which are people are doing today. So we are trying to help people to learn new things, to save their time here with the SelectorsHub. So I really need support from all of you, definitely. So here there are multiple ways you can contribute to SelectorsHub. The very first thing is like it really required a lot of testing, because as of now, like I'm only working end-to-end on SelectorsHub, from development, designing, testing, everything. So I would really need your help, everybody's help, that please if you want to contribute, please test SelectorsHub thoroughly, like all the features. And if you find any bug or any issue here in SelectorsHub, while like these filters and these all those features, so now it has like evolved a lot, it has so many features now. So like there could be some issues as because it's growing, it's still growing, and it's just been like 10 months for SelectorsHub now from as of today. And there could be like means generally there are no issue in SelectorsHub, but there could be like some corner cases, some issue could be there, that for some website, for some certain element, sometimes it could be the thing that it might not generate the correct selectors, but very rare cases. So if you can help me to test SelectorsHub properly, all the functionalities and everything, that could be really helpful. One this way you can help SelectorsHub is like by testing it. Also required, still people are not aware about the myths of XPath and selectors, that that DevTools is not the right platform. So I would really request you, if that you can write the articles, blog on that, and spread the awareness, because at the same times we have to spread the awareness to the people that what is the like fundamental reason of having this innovation, and why people should use SelectorsHub in place of writing selectors on DevTools. Because when we say that we should write our own XPath and selector, basically we are saying we should verify and write here in DevTools, though which that is not a right platform. So I would really request you guys that please write articles, blogs on SelectorsHub, write about the fundamental concepts of writing and verifying XPath and selectors. You can take help of SelectorsHub, how they can like write here in SelectorsHub, how they can learn about these kinds of errors. Writing about like shadow DOM, like I have written multiple articles here on Medium, so you can also write article on Mediums, because almost like there are like a good percentage of people in our industry, those who are not aware about these shadow DOM concepts, SVG concept. So just like few lines of very few lines you can add from your end, and same just like you can give the reference of a screenshot and the video tutorials already available here in the SelectorsHub YouTube channel. So that way you can help a lot, it will help a lot. People are asking questions on Quora, on Stack Overflow, and on Quora as well. Lots of questions are there related to SelectorsHub XPath problem, so you can also answer to those people and contribute to SelectorsHub community to help and solve their problems. So there are multiple ways through which you can contribute, like here on Telegram group as well, you can join the SelectorsHub Telegram group. Here you can answer people questions, there are lots of questions people used to ask. Slack channel as well there, so there also you can contribute, how they can like what all problems they are facing, people used to keep asking here. So there are multiple ways that you can contribute to SelectorsHub community and to the SelectorsHub to grow it and to let it reach to everyone. The very first thing is required, that we need to spread the awareness that that what is the right platform of writing and verifying the selectors, because there are the fundamental concepts is missing from our people are not aware what is the right platform and what wrong things they have learned here, because we always considered browser dev tools as a standard platform, though that is not the right platform. Here I have created this tutorial, so you can check out this tutorial. So this will help a lot. So from this tutorial you can learn what is those right concepts of writing and verifying XPath. So basically multiple ways, like you can start testing of SelectorsHub. You can raise the issues, like here you can find who all these are the people who are supporting SelectorsHub, who are contributing to SelectorsHub. They are suggesting like what could be the enhancement, if there is any issue, if there is any question, if something is invalid. So all those things you will find it here in GitHub, as well as you see that you will find their name here on changelog page, whoever has suggested, and whichever release is you will find the name that which release is dedicated to whom. So like this release 3.1.5 was almost everything, all those issues and improvement was suggested by Mike. So yeah, so this release was completely dedicated to Mike. One of very active person, Gaurav Khurana is there. He has contributed a lot, like he has suggested a lot of features, lot of issues, improvements in SelectorsHub, I would say. So really thanks to him, and you can find his name on multiple releases. So likewise you can also contribute. And the very first thing which SelectorsHub is required right now is that spread the awareness about SelectorsHub by writing blogs, by writing answers on Quora, because there you will find lots of questions people are asking these days on SelectorsHub. And it's almost like because as a creator I cannot be at the same time I could not be the good trainer as well. So it's really required, because people love the teaching from some of the specific trainers. Like some might love training from Raghav, some might love Naveen, some might love Mukesh, but I cannot be as good as they are, because I'm not the trainer, right? So they are gurus, and I'm like in different profession. I'm the creator. So so yes, definitely. So that way it's really required. And I really request, like if you guys create tutorials, so please create tutorials. If you write blogs, that way you can write the blogs, articles. So those all things will really help a lot to spread the awareness about SelectorsHub. So write blogs, write articles about SelectorsHub, spread the awareness, start testing SelectorsHub, and start contributing to SelectorsHub. And there are multiple ways you can support. And if you feel that you can support financially, so definitely you can be patron here, and you can donate as well. This all will help a lot to grow SelectorsHub. And let's come together and help each other, and let's grow our community. Thank you so much.